Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video we can find the value of this question, which is 4 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 4. So how can we find the value of this question? If you are talented, then before watching the video comment of this question. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve this question step by step. So guys, our solution is first of all I can write this question in this form: parenthesis 4 divided by 8 close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis 8 divided by 4. Now guys, here firstly I can simplify these parentheses. So 4 divided by 8 I can write as 4 divided by 8 divided by 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now guys, in next step 4 divided by 8 cancel with each other and the answer is 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now guys, according to KCF rule, we can write it as KCF rule say that K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip. We can write it as says that whenever we can change division to multiplication, the numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator. So guys, we can write it as 1 divided by 2 time 1 divided by 2. Further simplify when we can add, then the answer is 1 over 4. This is the final answer of this expression. Guys, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.